Hello, everybody. How are we doing today, guys? Just sorting out some issues, nothing crazy, per the usual.
I think it's a goddamn VPN. It's a goddamn VPN. It's always a goddamn VPN.
Goddamn, we're having goddamn VPN issues.
I can't get the game to load. Or, I'm sorry, online to load. It just stays.
What should we do here? Is there any way to like restart the VPN? Is that like how were you doing it previously?
I, I already did.
Goddamn VPN.
Okay, that worked. I just cleared character world and character data.
And it worked for you? Oh, we
Alright.
hear S Okr.
Griffin's not here, so I gotta test out his
Yeah.
UI.
Hey William, by the way, the UI it allows way too much text.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, Griffin breaks it on a daily basis just to like, push
I saw him
boundaries.
last time. Yeah, he did like a bunch of like plus signs.
One time he put the entire first page of The Hobbit as his screen name.
That
That's right.
that is awesome.
I will say I love the way it looks with the new Unity 6. Like, yes,
Nice.
I do love the way it looks. Unfortunately, and I guess I can explain this now, I wasn't able to put everything together for the new event system. I just haven't had the time over the past couple of weeks. I know that we work slow, but I promise I work quicker than this. I've just been moving and then
Oh,
business trip.
yeah. Well, yeah. You had a ton of stuff.
Um, so I'm putting it together. Again,
Oh, that noise too.
yeah, I heard it. I heard it.
Oh, hey, Kiki. Hello, hello, Kiki.
Kiki, how you been? Sorry, I no, there hasn't. I'll do. Oh, hang on now. Hey, welcome to my new garage. We're doing good.
It needs more decorations. It looks ominous.
Yeah, no, I'm just happy I got my desk set up. Yeah, it's not as this is I mean the other one. Thank you. If I turned the camera around, you would just see like crap everywhere because I'm settling into a new home. But how you been, Kiki? Oh, this UI is hard to use. Weird. It's like the background and the foreground are sharing the same like layer. Yeah, yep, moving things. Yep. Oh, what did I do?
Interesting.
William's got his scientist hat on right now, and he's looking at this stuff in real time. Same old Sunday night. Yep, yep, yep. Got to work in the morning, huh? Never a fun feeling. Rhino looks so high def. I can see all of his
The
tooth.
light, yeah, the lighting looks weird though. Uh, something off about it. I mean, the frame rate is great.
Oh, the water, there's, oh no, no, the water's there. The frame rate is great. I will say that these triplaners are struggling, man. I mean, it's been that way, but
That's an LOD thing. That's not the triplaners themselves. That's an
I wonder if maybe we can undo the LOD.
I don't know. Do we want it under the
No,
LOD?
no, 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 you're right, you're right. That's not a good idea.
No, it's just we need to figure out where the max camera distance is and like what the max LOD is for that. That's kind of that. So like it shouldn't be loading because right now at the max camera draw distance, it's still like we see enough of the area that we're like it's loading and change these LODs.
You're talking about the weird light thing that happens?
The little sphere thing, yeah, that's part of it. But the lighting itself is also kind of weird. It's like way darker than it before.
Yeah. No, we need to get in there and adjust some switches, and the shadows are struggling a little bit too.
Yeah, the shadows are also inconsistent.
Let me get a little notepad out. Ah,
Like we never had issues with the character shadows as we do now. Building we did. We always had the only shadow issues we had with shadows was building.
yeah, for sure.
That was the only that everything else was fine. But so now we are having issues with that.
Interesting.
Who's doing great? Is that Griffin William? I hear in the faint voice. No, that's oh, it might be that might be William. Griffin's not on with us.
Yeah,
This
Griffin
person
is
William.
celebrating Father's Day a week late because they didn't have a chance to do it. But no, this is William. I'm sure you met him in the last couple of weeks. He's here to save us from our tech debt hell. Gerardo, hi.
Hello.
Kiki says hi,
So
William.
I got hello. I got the UI to look. I mean, can you see my screen?
I cannot. No, you'd have to share in Discord, but
Okay.
we can look at that if you share it on Discord.
Oh,
Oh, you can't hear me, bro. Yeah. I guess my mic is being weird.
Oh, interesting. I can hear you really well, Gerardo. I wonder how that's working on OBS.
Yeah, but you're right. I can hear him very well. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm
Let
not sure
me.
why then. Yeah.
oh,
I am
really?
eating, so that's part of it. Where like I'm facing away from my mic, and then I'm facing the mic again, so that's maybe part of it.
The emojis. You're always on. Thank you, my bright orange chair. I'm so ready for a new one. It's very squeaky when I lean back.
Wait, did you guys leave the world? I'm by myself now.
No, I'm here. Oh, are you? Let me see if I can find you. I saw
No
somebody
one.
over here. I'm over here. Do you see me, sir?
Oh shit. Okay, yeah. I was like, I have no. See, that's another thing too. Now I have no indicate without the map. I have no indication if I'm by myself or not.
Oh, the mini map is gone. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm writing notes here so we can like itemize the fixes here. I think William is zeroing in on the world space UI issue, so that's super positive. This looks like a blowtorch, bro.
Yeah, it does. It's supposed to be a magical thing, but I mean, well.
Well, since there's not a lot we can do or experience here, maybe we can move
What happened to
onward.
the chest here? Wasn't there chest here with gear?
There was, but we moved. No, no, no. They're over here. Those are all. I recently bought a chair custom thingy for my office chair, and my 33-year-old cousin went and was just like, just wait till you cross 30. Ugh, yeah, there's no chair that can save you once you turn 30. For some reason, there's a switch in your body that just says like back pain, achiness, tired all the time. It's horrendous.
I
It's
will
these
say
ones,
with
Gerardo.
uh, oh yeah, I had those.
Okay.
Just the ones that used to have the more wood.
Those were moved to the hub world, if you remember. We do
Okay.
the
Yeah, yeah, I remember that.
there is one over here. I already took the wood out of it, but this one always has a lot of wood in it. I can give some wood if I can find my wood.
Oh shit, I need to
I got
So I
more.
feel like, can you see my screen now?
Let me look on
this is for
Discord.
my back.
Oh yes. Okay.
So I feel like this is contributing to the issue is what I'm doing is adjusting the camera clipping plane, like the near clip plane, and see how the UI is like, well, let me see. Let me make sure it's not from me. Okay, so that might have just been me. Okay, never mind, never mind.
Oh, okay. I did see. Oh, whoa! You know what's interesting is, so here's the other thing. I play tested in the editor, and so like you
Mhm.
can see the dialogue in the editor, but in the build it's not there. Um, so and I've
Interesting.
I've experienced stuff like that before. One of the things was like virtual cameras are a little bit funny between editor and build. Um, so
Mm.
I had a big issue with that. I don't think it's exactly the same thing, but like you see where it says use R to rotate the camera. I did not
Mhm.
get. We don't see that in the build at all.
You got okay. I see what you're saying.
Hmm.
That's not rendered into the build.
Oh hey Mamoot, what's up, dude? How we doing? Just standing on a fire? No big deal. Okay. Mamoot. Cushion for my back. Yeah, yeah. I wish there was a way that you could like prevent aging, but you can't. Hey William, is it cool if I change scenes?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the hub world just so we can play around with stuff.
I don't know if Kiki can hear me, but something that will help is a standing desk. I feel like that helped me a lot with my back pain.
Standing desk? Oh, that sounds actually
Yeah.
legit. Do you hear that, Kiki? Blood of a newborn from the shadow of Mount Fuji might be an answer. Yeah, no, that's. We should all try that. I'm getting a lot of shuddering in the fly-throughs with the Cinemachine camera.
Yeah, I have a lot of issues with that as well. Just sort of, but I think it's just because the way my computer loads shaders, it just like doesn't preload stuff. Kind of.
I feel like the colors are so much more vivid here.
I do feel like it looks a lot. For some reason, it looks better than last time. Maybe I was playing the wrong branch last time.
Oh, potentially, yeah. Um,
It's. I mean, the frame rate is a lot smoother, but the colors
yep.
feel more like saturated.
Super saturated. Yeah, there you go. And that's undesirable, Gerardo?
I mean, it's different than what we had. I mean, I feel like this happened exactly with Infinity. As we progress, like I don't know how, like the style just changed more and more and more, and I
Mhm.
don't know how it happened.
Like what was going on?
I just went with it. I was like, yeah, I don't know what else to do at this point because because yeah,
So I do want to see, because one issue that I always have is
the outline's completely gone.
I can't
Yeah.
No, it's not.
play.
Let me note that.
Oh, okay. So you guys were talking about the outline before.
Yeah,
What
you
was
mentioned
the
you
outline
modded it.
on? Was it on everything?
Yeah. We were doing it
Mm,
through. You're right, Jardo. It's not on everything, but we weren't doing it through global options. We were doing it per shader, with the flat
Mm-hmm.
kit. Animations have gotten
Mm-hmm.
smoother, says Kiki. That's a good observation. That's one of the big reasons we want to do this is for optimization. Um, but yeah, we were using flat kit shaders for everything, and the flat kit shader had the outline. So I wonder what.
Yeah. So it still does. But it changed its method. So it used to have like a rendering pass in the actual URP renderer,
Mhm.
and that's where it would apply the outline. But now the outline is built into the actual shader itself,
Okay.
and and so but but basically, okay, so like for instance, I can go to settings here and go to, oh no, you guys are using the Wanderer render. That's in
That should
Flat
just
Kit.
be for like the fog and the ambient
yeah.
stuff.
Okay, see, because when I upgraded Flat Kit, because that was one of the things that I had to do was upgrade the Flat Kit versions to the
Uh-huh.
Unity 6 one. Oh, it's in demos here. That's right, Wanderer. Here we go.
And we're using
Wanderer.
like I can't remember specifically which one of the render settings we're using, but it's not the desert one for the fog
No,
settings
it's the
anyway.
it is the Wanderer one, but
Wanderer,
that's
yep.
not supposed to be the one we end up with. It's
So
kind of the
can
one
you?
that just ended up being on there. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say I should have a black outline over everything now on my screen.
Hmm.
Can you see that?
Can you maximize your? Oh, I do see it. I do see it. Like I can see
Yes,
it on the
sir.
rune stone.
Um, and so that is actually like I can control that over here. I guess it is a rendering pass feature. Like I can make it super thick. I can make it um, kind of thin. I can change the color. But basically, what happened was when I upgraded Flat Kit, it just sort of came out like pretty thick,
Hmm.
and I didn't think that's how it was supposed to look. So I just sort of turned this thickness all the way down.
Okay.
So I think
Um.
one of you just probably needs to go in there and just kind of mess with this thickness and edge color or whatever until you get it back to where
You want it?
it
We never
was.
really settled on it because at one point it was as thick as you had it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you were
Okay,
maybe
I
just
got
sitting
you.
there seeing,
So
oh
it could
shit.
I could have just been remembering wrong. Like I think it was
Yeah.
on 2. This is like sort of the default or where it was at. And I wasn't sure, so I just sort of was like, I'm gonna turn this down since they're gonna play test it, and if it's wrong, then somebody can just kind of go in and fix it.
It's crazy
So
too
that's
because
why the outline's wrong.
yeah. So Gerardo, you feel free to. I did mess with the fog a little bit, but this is your camp, bro. Feel
Yeah,
free
you might
to
just
get
have
in
to
there and
go into this Wanderer renderer here and just
update it.
make adjustments to these rendering passes
Cause like
until it
I'm
kind of
personally
looks.
like I don't know how you feel about it, Gerardo, but if you look on the texture on the ground, it's also accumulating an outline, which I think is weird.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yes, Kiki, the colors are way different. Good eye. I think it's so impressive that you know our game well enough to like see the visual difference. Look at the edge on the shadow though. That's sick. I don't know how if you guys like that or not, but that's sick, dude. Sorry, I'm not
Yeah, that's
sharing.
really cool.
Let me share this so our viewer is able to see as well.
Yeah, no, the color, yeah, again, something with the light is definitely up. I definitely did a bunch of updates before 6 on some of the textures,
Uh-huh.
but I don't think you guys have seen those changes because I was trying to fix some of the issues that we were having now. And I just may have to redo it again. It's fine.
Okay, so and here's the thing. So for instance, okay, so that's the wrong frame layer.
I'm trying here, Kiki. Sorry. Sorry. Display capture, right? Display capture. Hey, okay, so this is, oh, let me fix this. Holy cow. Forgive me. This is what William is trying to fix some of the stuff that you're seeing. Like, I don't know if you can see, Kiki, like the outlines on this little rune guy. Um, on our end, we're missing outlines. We're also missing the mini map, and he can see all these dialogues. We can't see these dialogues in the build. So if you look on my end,
No, we can see the ones for the crystal, just not the people one.
oh shit, okay, cool. Hey, that's cool. I did not know that.
Because they're different. These are built differently. This
Yeah.
one's on the camp, right?
I don't know. No,
I just remember these were built differently because I remember
yeah.
what you had said and we talked about it.
Okay. Okay. Um, also think, Gerardo, there's got to be a way for you to go in and like desaturate globally. I don't know where that
I wonder if
exists,
there's
but
I wonder if there's a default profile volume on.
There might be.
Because the saturation, I mean, that's one of the post processing effects a lot of times.
oh, you see it. I love Gerardo's PFP. I just burst out laughing. I feel like a boomer, but I don't know what PFP means.
Profile picture.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I don't know if that's what it necessarily means, but that's what I think it.
Yeah, that's what she
You
means.
know.
Cause Gerardo's profile picture is like, yeah, it's like
It's
him with
like,
the filter and a cowboy hat with a mustache. It is pretty.
I
yeah.
do not know what you're talking about. That is how I look.
Yeah.
I just
No,
have
that
a giga chat chin and a giant mustache.
that's funny because you've had that profile pic for ages. Ages.
Yeah. I don't even know what I had before.
Me either. Me either. I remember you getting that and then somebody saying that it was like a cross between somebody and that kid Ethan that we used to go to school with.
Oh God. I think I remember what you're talking about.
Yeah.
But also, I'm also positive it was something with the lighting profile, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
I you guys are
Like everything is way darker than before. I mean, yes, things were dark, but like this feels like like when like kind of the version 2 of the prototype when it was so dark. Like if you didn't have a torch, you're kind of fucked.
Okay, so that's interesting. So there isn't post processing applied. Like if you can see my screen now, um,
let me look, let me
now
look.
I've got it super saturated. Well, it's too dark right now. You can't tell. But I got the color super saturated on mine right now. So it's not a post processing thing, but I think you're definitely probably right that the lighting is off. Um, those are definitely the kind of things that upgrading to Unity 6 is. Uh, it's just those are the kind of things that we'll have. But there's also a couple different options for like, so for instance, for lighting now, you guys could use these things called adaptive probe volumes that it says right here, and those are sort of like a light baking solution, but it's like the old light volume or light probes, but they just sort of automatically spread throughout the scene and then control how light interacts with things around them in a way. And so like for instance with the time of day stuff, like doing the night cycle and the day cycle, with that you can actually use those adaptive probe volumes and you can bake different lighting scenarios
Hmm.
into the probe volumes and then blend between them.
That's
So
sick.
you're just yeah, so you can kind of control like a day night cycle by just baking those couple steps, and I think they even have an automatic baker for that. Um, and then you don't have real time lighting running in the game, and
Oh,
in a
that's good.
real time light running, and you're not moving that and or adjusting the intensity, and it just saves a lot of processing.
No, that's awesome. I think getting rid of real-time lighting would be sick. Maybe except for like the torch. You know what I mean? But
Yeah,
like one at a
absolutely. Yeah,
time,
for sure.
it just
Yeah,
significantly. So I did attempt to bake lighting in the desert wilds, which is significantly larger than this. I don't know if you've ever been in that level. And if not, we
I
can
don't
go
know if
right
I've
now.
been there. Yeah,
Let's go. Let's go.
let's go.
Oh yeah, it's gonna blow up the computers.
Everybody, yeah, everybody put your overclock on and your heater. No, it's not that bad. It used to be really hard to run.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Um, but a lot of optimizations on my end have like taken the load off so that it can spend more on that. But eventually, it's going to need a more intensive optimization pass. It's just a big level, and we want big
I
level.
have been in the scene, and I was sort of like, dang, like once I
Yeah.
went through all the scenes in the game, I was like, wow, they really have a lot to
I think there's five main scenes, or four, five or four, five. So we have the
5.
tutorial world, which we're familiar with, the hub
go.
world.
Yep.
We have a battle arena, which is like a playground area with like all the items,
Cool.
all the enemies. It's very cool. We can go to that one too. It's fun. And then more like in terms of like the game, we have two wilds, which is like you know what I mean, like the branching
Yeah.
levels. You love the texture of the ground here, like the little pebbles. Aren't those cool? It's like it's kind of like cobblestone, but not quite cobblestone. Yeah, it's sick, huh? Yeah, no, Gerardo's done a great job. Uh, just putting these worlds together. So we have the desert wilds and the Verdraxi wilds. So this is the desert wilds, which is where we're headed.
Tumbleweed. Oh yeah, we got tumbleweeds and the effects like that. See, this is now more to the old lighting. Like there was more. This is kind of more of the like the pink that we had before.
Definitely bright, definitely brighter than the what we had previously, but I don't know. I'm loving it.
No, this is more in line. I mean, not maybe the not the last Pokemon build, but originally this was more the vibe of the area of like a light pinkish desert.
Yeah,
Like the early screenshots were kind of more of this vibe.
yeah, it looks good. This gigantic succulent.
So you guys don't have a mini map?
We do. No, not on
We
our
do
end.
not.
No.
Oh, okay. See, I do, and I can see you guys like your icons and everything.
One thing that
No,
is
on ours.
working just fine is the HUD up in the the top right corner with the health and the items.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if that helps give like a baseline at all.
See, I see. Look, this texture that because so around the area here, I have multiple rocks and textures. This one that we're on, the rocks with this dirt, I like blends in really well.
Yeah, it does. Kiki does not like our loading screen. She hates that it stretches out. It really bothers her, and we need to change it.
Oh, I died.
Oh, Lord. I will revive you, but the function keys are all debug keys, so you can hit like F5 or something like that, or F6, one of the two, and it will bring you back to life. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The other one will kill
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Or if you guys come over here, this is the other scenario of like what the wilds will look like with this different texture and stone wood.
No, not that strict. Kiki, for you, we will fix it. Whatever you tell us to. You're our top fan. So if you want it
See,
fixed, you get it fixed.
now that the night is going off though, that the color changed completely.
Yep.
So something's happening here that's turning off that effect.
I died.
Oh, I died too. But I'm like a cat.
Hehehe.
Are we just beating up on this poor guy? Or, oh, that's you.
I
They,
forget how to come back. Oh,
F6?
there you go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See, so this is the other color profile without the color. This is how normally though would everything would kind of look like, I guess.
Yeah. This looks more familiar. Except for these mana. These mana fountains are like mad pink. Oh, I'm
Yeah, that
frozen.
needs to
Oh.
tone it down.
No, I think it looks sick. But I'm not the artist here.
Yeah, these are the earth crystals. They're not supposed to be here, but for testing purposes,
These
fire flowers.
I think you need a pickaxe to break these.
Oh, I got you.
See, the problem is if you guys come over here where I am at night, like this doesn't blend well anymore without that color profile. Where the portal is.
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh, they just killed
These things
Mammut.
are cool looking. They killed
Over here.
Mammut.
They killed Mammut. Oh my god, I have a whole gang of dudes following me. Ah!
Like,
Oh, he killed me.
Why has he got a bow and arrow? How did he even... Oh, that's it. This dude's toast.
Oh, he killed me again. Those archers doing one-hit kills. That is not okay. That should never happen.
yeah, I got yelled at GDC. That's what he's referencing. Someone at GDC was yelling at me because of that.
Because the archers were like mad powerful. And they would kill you in one hit. And then,
I feel like you just got angry enough to review bomb your own game on Steam.
yeah.
That should never happen.
No, that's what the guy told Gerodo. That should never happen. He was,
Yeah,
he was
it was
like,
very,
So funny.
very.
we did like an event where you go to it's like a bar and we set up and then, so like, it's like regular gameplay test except for people are drunk and, the emotion comes out a little bit
Yeah.
further.
Oh, for sure. That's got to be fun though.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this doesn't blend anymore. If you that's kind of what I'm talking about. These rocks and this dirt at night. In the morning when it resets to that color profile, which I think is coming up, it'll blend again.
Okay. Let's test.
I don't know necessarily how we feel about that, but I just wanted to make a notice of that.
That
He
was
said,
cool.
"Killed man, we have an arch nemesis now."
Ah,
He's been
Kiki's
avenged.
like, not in my house. Kiki, if we ever end up making Mammut plushies, we'll send one to you directly. We may do that just for you, as our #1 supporter.
Yeah, we have talked about it.
The other thing I'm excited about, William, and I don't think it's in this one, but like changing these little like yeah, we know you love Mammut. We know. It's turning these little like character icons under like the little circles underneath them into like decals.
Yeah.
That looked really
I
good.
did that. That was like the first thing I did, but I didn't do it in any of the
The branches.
sessions that, yeah, any of the branches. So I do have that the shader for that and whatnot already made, and also I think I set it up to where if you guys wanted, you could let the players choose their colors, because it's like the shader does a mask, so the outline of the icon and the fill of the icon are actually, you can control the color of both of those in the shader.
So I'm not opposed to that. Just note that like the background of the UIs is also like matches the color of the player. So
Oh,
like
for sure, for
if
sure.
you look up in the corner, yours should be blue, and then when you open your inventory, it should
Yeah,
also be blue. Um,
yeah, I noticed that.
so and then we just want to make sure that two players don't have the same color, right? So it's a visibility thing. But I'm not.
Yeah.
I don't know how Gerardo feels, but I'm not opposed to people picking their own color.
No, for
Yeah,
sure.
me
I
neither.
basically just did it. I was like, well, I might as well just make it this way. That way, if they want to change the color, if they, it's like, then it's like, but it's like you can just make the exact same icon set that you have now and then leave it at that.
And the specific shades we have are they're optimal for color blindness.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. They're
Nice.
color accessible.
Hmm.
That's awesome. So what is this thing that I'm messing with here? It's like every time I try to pick it up, it pops in the air.
Your inventory is full.
Oh, okay, I got you. That's what I was kind of thinking. Oh, wait. Oh, interesting.
Gerardo's
See, like,
torturing
that's
this
so
poor
weird.
giant.
That's how you kill a giant. Ah, shit.
Oh, I just dropped like 100 apples if you guys are hungry.
Nice, yeah. Yeah, there's no stack limits. Eventually, I think we want to do stack limits. I don't know. We just haven't like gotten to it, but that's something that we want to. I don't know, Gerardo. How do you feel about stack limits?
I mean, we should probably.
Yeah, I
Um,
agree.
yeah. What that limit is the question.
Yeah, that's another knob that we have to set. Water looks
Um,
good.
Yeah, it
you
does.
head
Deadly,
to the
by the
boss.
way. I'm sorry?
I was gonna say if you're headed to the boss.
Yeah, yeah, no, I'm just kind of looking around. You've done a lot of work in here, Gerardo, that I'm noticing. Cliffs here, these are new.
Yeah, they're all different because I'm testing out which looks better to do and which to keep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it
Um,
looks awesome, dude.
Yeah, another thing, William, that we would like to be able to get away from in the character controller is if it's terrain, we can just slide up it, no matter how steep.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, you can control the. So what I was using for the character controller is actually like if you go in Unity and just type in character controller on a game object,
uh-huh.
there's there's a kinematic character controller that pops up that comes with Unity, and it's actually really awesome. Like it, and it has a few features built in. Well, not really much, but one of the features that it does have built into it is a slope limit. And so you can just make it whatever, 89 degrees, 90 degrees, whatever.
Yeah.
Um, and you can go up, but a lot of people run into an issue where the way that controller works, it's like if you don't write your movement code a certain way, then when you're going uphill or you're going up a steep wall, you'll move like super fast.
Yeah. Okay, cool, cool, cool. As long as you have like a solution in mind.
Yeah, I got a solution for it though.
Cool,
It's
cool,
it's
cool.
no big deal.
Kiki loves the
oh
colors
Uh,
man,
here. Kiki imagines what it might be like to play this area stoned. She said it would be crazy. And then Bature, what's up, dude? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for dropping in, man.
I thought I was following somebody else looking at the mini map, and I realized I was looking at myself thinking I was Mammut who is following me.
Um, if you kill yourself, I'll teleport you here.
Okay, let me
Just
see.
get into water. Just get into water.
Oh, okay, I can just hit F5. There we go. Okay, I'm dead.
This is the city.
Nice.
This is like the path to the boss here.
I see. I saw this area. I haven't played it, but I saw it when I was going through the scenes, checking for material. Oh, I ran into the fire. Why did I do that? This is so cool. I love this.
Hell yeah. Yeah, Jordo's put a lot of hours into this area.
I can tell.
There's
Which path is towards the boss? Gold path?
no. So it's not on this in this build. It's black though.
Oh,
The
okay,
main
okay.
path. But it starts here. Oh shit.
Oh shit, I got you. I got a lot of, well, I don't have that many rocks left.
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay, okay,
I don't know
okay.
where you are. Yeah, it's this way though.
I realized that just now that I haven't been sprinting is why you guys keep getting so far ahead of me.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't teach that in the tutorial. I think we need to update that at some point.
Honestly, the
There's a
issue
lot
is
of
just
stuff.
that I'm so terrible. I don't ever play mouse and keyboard that like trying to use mouse and keyboard and do the controls correctly is, like I said before, it's almost like impossible for me. I'm
It's hard
so
for you.
bad at it.
We should get you a 360 controller or an Xbox One controller because it's also optimized for that. But it sounds like with the new input system, we'll be able to handle like all the gamepads.
Yes, absolutely. It will automatically map to every gamepad.
Oh my God,
Literally, the
who's here?
only
As if
thing
I
that you
didn't just
have
call.
to worry. Oh, I might need teleport because I died in the lava.
Got you, got you.
Oh, he's giving me a platform. Hell yeah. Oh, sorry.
There you
Can I
go.
swear? Should I not swear?
No, go for it, go for it.
We
Okay,
try not to,
I
but it
don't
still
really.
happens.
Yeah, we try not to, but we have not been able to
Yeah, so
avoid it.
What
we
is
just
the build button?
F. Hold some wood and hit F.
F. Hold some wood, hit F. Okay. Okay.
Oh, almost.
Oh, I
That's one
killed
way
all
to do
my
it.
wood. All right. F. Okay, there we go.
Scroll wheel.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
So I can move.
Yep. E will rotate.
Scrolls up and down. E will rotate.
Mhm.
Okay.
Right.
Interesting.
Let me check here. I think it's right click will cycle through
I like that.
pieces.
Oh, okay.
You feel it? You feel it? Yeah. So a
I
lot of
feel it. Yeah.
people kind
Now
of don't really understand the building, and then and then you kind of get really into it, and then it's like, it seems to be, I don't know about intuitive, but like, it's very natural for me at this point.
It's cool.
I don't know if you want this wood,
Why
but
are
I'm
you
picking up
stealing my
this
wood?
wood.
You're stealing my wood.
Picking up your wood. Hang on, I'm gonna go get this lava wood right here. Hang on. Damn, that's tough. I'll need training. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, I promise.
I do think that
at least I'm
when it
here.
comes to controller,
Inventory chicken made me
that
hungry.
when it comes to the controller controls for the building,
Mm-hmm.
the way they do it in Tears of the Kingdom, those controls for like moving an object around and rotating it and stuff, I think would work really good for the controller. But I don't know what you guys have for controller for that.
I mean, the controls are the same, it's just mapped to different buttons, right? Um,
Yeah.
I have never played Tears of the Kingdom, so I don't know. I've only played Breath of the Wild. Um,
Yeah.
so I'd have to like see, but
So it's it's like essentially when you're moving an item around, it's like the item, if I move around, the item will, wherever
move
it's
with you.
at in relation to me, it'll move with me. But then in addition to that, I can use my D-pad to move it through space. And then
Further or
if I
closer to your
hold,
body.
yes, and then if I hold the right shoulder and I'm trying to think because obviously I'm not playing the game. I think it's right shoulder and then right stick rotates it.
Okay,
So you
interesting.
can like yeah, so that's how you control when you're I don't know. I can't remember the exact rotation controls right now, but I know you hold like right stick or whatever and that rotates it. But I just remember playing it and thinking, "Oh, this is like similar to their build system as far as interesting. What did I just do? I hit F7.
Oh, you reset the day-night cycle to morning.
Okay,
And
that's what I thought. I knew it had
yeah,
something to do with
and
lighting.
that's because the portals initially, like I think we're getting rid of the rule, but portals would only open up in the morning. So that like
Oh,
it
okay.
forced you once you return to the hub world, like you had to spend a whole day there before you could go back out again, and that's to help encourage like base building and whatnot. Um,
Yeah.
her mom hates me. All that looked like rocket science to me. Um, her mom hates me. Same. Well, I'm confused. What that means, Bature. Um, big shout out to Shrimbu. Shrimbu came by. Kiki shouted out.
This city
What?
looks so cool.
Yeah, where'd the maybe did we miss something? Did the AI bot spill some tea?
Yeah, I know. It's
I love
like,
this
what
bridge.
happened? Yeah, it's beautiful up here, dude.
I like looking down at that little old town. I need to finish building it.
I'm pretty sure the boss is still broken, but we'll show you what we're working with here. The boss works except for his arrows stick to his own body, so he can't really ever do any damage. I just have not doubled back to fix it because this portion is not in the demo, and so it's not been a priority.
Yeah.
I always get low frame rate up here, but let's see how it's going today.
Firehead boss. All right.
He's on one of these pillars. This one, here he is. Yep, his arrows are still sticking to him. Yeah, frame rate's going down.
Let's see. I can actually look and see what it is. I'm at like 30
Her
right
mom
now.
hates me. What is with moms? I don't know, man. Her mom hates you. Oh, we have to get
You
there?
know,
No.
moms are tough, dude. Moms are the final boss.
But see, like, what's interesting
She's being a
is
strict mom. I grew up with a
I'm
strict
at
mom.
like 30 frames per. Well, now I'm up to like 60. It's going between like 60 and 30 for some reason, but it's the CPU that's taken a long time to operate, not the GPU, which is interesting.
Yeah, I wonder what it is. I wonder if there's some kind of a because I'm at maybe 3 frames a second right now. It's really bad for me. And it's only
Uh,
in this area.
yeah, it could be something to do with the boss, like him trying to detect the players. Maybe there's something happening every frame that I don't know, or something like that. But since it's not the I thought that was you, and then he killed me.
Yeah,
Since it's
FPS is
not the
very bad.
GPU, my first assumption was just that you guys were rendering a lot. But if it's not the GPU that's taken a long time, then
That's interesting. I always thought it was rendering too.
no, because like I'm looking at the global frame stats right now, and it's 78% is CPU
Okay.
time, and 13 to 15% around there is it says GPU.
We'll have
Obviously,
to
please clarify that.
pull out the profiler and pinpoint. But I wonder what it is, man. I wonder.
Ooh, new weapon.
I have to leave for the viewers. Hang in there, Kiki. We're gonna get back to a regular frame rate soon.
Very bad. Maybe yeah.
If you're watching
The boss.
their other screens, it wouldn't be so bad, but it might be like something happening in the update loop that should not be in the update loop. It's like medieval torture.
Yeah.
I know.
See, mine's not bad right now. Now I'm still getting up to like 40, 50 every
Okay.
once in a while. Oh, here's the boss. I found him.
He
Let's go.
teleports every third chunk of health. He teleports to a new pillar. Is the gimmick.
Nice.
Yeah. It'd be cool if we could make the arena smaller too, as that happens, but
Like
that's
chunks fall off.
yeah.
I think a sound cue would work really well with that. Like where if you could hear the boss and like what direction he was
Mmm.
somehow. Something like that could work really well too.
Yeah, I have
Like if he was
other
like
ideas
ha ha
too.
ha.
Yeah, like the platforms he on too. I kind of like want to like light up that platform,
Yeah,
or
that'd be
Okay.
like
cool.
have all the traps deactivated and they only work where he's at, also kind of thing.
My no
Stuff like that,
GPU
like
days. The integrated GPU days. Yeah, I feel you, dude. Sleep
yeah.
paralysis, Kiki calls it.
So we killed them.
You killed him. I'm getting further away from the boss. GPU still fried. I mean, CPU still fried.
Dead.
Well, I'm glad you're getting to see more of the game here, William. I think this is also
Yeah,
probably helping a little
absolutely.
bit with some of the context.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Oh, I see. So does the boss have an icon on the mini map?
No, not at the moment. He might. He
Okay.
originally
No,
did, but
oh yeah, I was just he originally did.
so it might still be there. Yeah. I'm gonna reload the level whenever you guys are cool with it. I'm like, I'm fried.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Close your eyes, Kiki. Don't look at the don't look at the loading screen.
Oh, there it looks fine, doesn't it?
I don't know. Kiki hates it,
Bastard.
and that's valid. Oh no! We're gonna wait for it to respond because we're not quitters. Let's go. What time is it? Oh, it's 10:06. Holy cow! I was gonna say we should check out the battle arena, but uh,
Yeah,
it is
they're
time
calling.
for us to conclude. Thank you guys so much for coming to see us, Kiki Bature. We appreciate you guys so much. Anybody else who might be in here, welcome and thank you for coming. We'll be back on Tuesday. I'll be back on Tuesday evening Pacific Standard Time for some development work. Bye. And then we've got a few other streams during the week, Wednesdays and Thursdays as well. Um, come to our Discord if you're not there already, and we can give you uh, a much more predictable schedule. But either way, thank you guys for coming. We appreciate you. See you soon.